Hello, class. This is Mr. Gorski. I just wanted to describe to you the Needs of Organism project, which you can see in Google Classroom. If it is going to be due next Friday, and we are going to research one organism and prove whether that it isn't. Yeah, bro. Hey, this is Mr. Gorski. I wanted to describe the Needs of Organisms research project that we'll be doing to meet one of our learning goals. You are going to be picking an organism from a list and researching how it meets its needs and fits all the criteria to be called a living thing. So when you're in classroom, click on Needs of Organisms research project, and you'll see something that pops up like this. So this has several documents, like lots of them. How many are there? One, two, three, four, five, six documents here, which will help you making your project. The first one that's listed right here is research project guidelines. The second, third, fourth, and fifth are all the different organisms that you can choose. And then the last one, if you choose to create a Google Drive document, it's the framework for a Google Drive presentation. So let's take a look at the guidelines for this project. The rubric is up on top. I'm going to be grading you on your ability to research, your ability to use works cited, the presentation overall, and then your spelling and conventions. I listed some steps here. So the first step you're going to do is read through my project on the Pacific salmon, um, and it's going to be an example of what you're going to be completing when you research your own living organism. The organisms that we're going to use are from this list, and you must choose from this list. These include a euglena, which is a protist, which is a single-celled organism that kind of is plant-like, kind of is animal-like. It's pretty cool. The other is saguaro cactus. So if I would say this one is probably the easiest to do, mainly because a lot of kids have background knowledge for plants. The next one, the honey mushroom fungus, is the largest organism in the world that we know of. It is a fungus that literally has a network of hyphae that are underground that cover 1,600 football fields, and it's found in Oregon. And then there's the salmonella bacteria that makes people sick when they get food poisoning. So you're going to pick one of these organisms to research, and then you're going to complete all the cells on a research grid. So I've made a project on the Pacific salmon, and you're going to be using the websites that I give you to find information about your organism. And that includes not picture, how it's organized, its growth process, how it reproduces, its response to stimulus, its lifespan, how it uses energy and gets energy, how it exchanges gases, and how it uses water, because all living things use water. So after you're going to finish that, you're going to create a presentation. You can do it in Google Presentation, Prezi, PowerPoint, or another presentation tool to show the information that you found. Now, if we go in here and see the different projects that you can choose from, let's just pick on honey mushroom fungus. You'll see put a lot of, I put all the links that you'll need in here except for the one for the picture. And then I also have some information for some of the boxes, um, just to help you out a little bit. So when you are in here, you're going to pick one of these four organisms to research. So when you're in here, after you've picked one, you're going to click on the X for the three that you do not want to have. So you just have yours pop up. So you'll be doing that later on, um, as you get started on your project right now. So um, read through those guidelines if you need to, pick your project, and start researching. Good luck, and let me know if you have any questions.